Usually 5% degreasing agent is used. Act for 100 liters, you had to add 5 kilo. For 1000 liters, we should add 50 kg. For 5000 liters, we have to add, you can multiply by 5, so 250 kg. For 2250 liters, you can divide by 2, so 125 kg. So we can work out this based on the formula also. For maintaining the concentration, you can make use of this formula. That is, usually weight by volume percent is given as weight of the solute divided by volume of the solution into, that is, 100. This gives the percentage, and this is usually given in gram and this is given in ml. Suppose if you want to make it as a kilogram, means you have to multiply by, that is 1000, and similarly if it is given in liter, means you have to multiply by 1000. So it maintains the same one irrespective of the that is kg or gram. We can work out like this. Suppose if you want to make it as a kg, so as I already mentioned, we want to find out, we want to fix this as 5%. So volume of the solution. So what is the volume of solution? Suppose if you want to make it as 1250 ml. So this is percentage and this is into 100. You can adopt this simple formula. So W2 is equal to 1005 into 1250. You can bring this 100 here. So you can cancel this. Now divided by 10. So that means 62.5 kg. Okay, W2. If you want to declare this in gram, you can declare as 62.5 gram in 1250 ml. If you want to make it as a liter, then it is declared as kilogram. That's all.